All right, so like we talked about in the first part of the show, this is a great engine. I thoroughly enjoyed driving this car home, and this big 3.0 six banger is just absolutely a blast. But it's filthy. So an engine this pretty, to leave it like this would be a crime. So we're gonna go through and show you quickly how we clean an engine. Now, a lot of people are afraid of this because they don't want to ruin their motor, and that makes sense. However, engines were made to get wet. The one thing we don't want to do though is saturate any one part. So the best thing is to do is start out with a pre-wash, like HyperCleanse or anything you happen to have around. Spray down the motor and let that dirt work loose. That way, when I spray it, I can lightly touch the engine with the water, get rid of the cleanser, and then we're gonna have a spotless engine after without any worries of damage. So let's get started. So now that we've pre-treated the motor, we're ready to take care of it and wash it off. It's really important to make sure your engine's not hot while you're doing this, and do not point directly at it. All right, the second step to making any engine look brand new is the drying part. What we like to do is use a drying agent like our interior detailer and spray it around the major plastic parts in the motor as we dry it. That mixed with the water will dilute it so we don't get too much sheen, but the parts are going to look natural and brand new. So here we go.